Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 11 public places. In that we are going to learn the point dispensary or hospitals. Dispensary means only hospitals. In the dispensaries or hospitals, the doctors examine the patients and prescribe them medicines to get well soon. Means children, in the hospital, doctor treat the patient, examines means check the patient, and give prescribe means in writing format they give medicines to the patients, and patient's relative bring that medicines from the medical shop. The use of medicine to get the patient well soon. Means children, in the hospital the doctor treat the patient and give medicines according to the patient's need to get the patient very well. If the patient is serious, he is or she is admitted to a hospital where X-ray are done. If children patient is very serious, then she is admitted in the hospital and their X-ray also done to find out inside any problem is there or not. There children blood test also done in the hospital to find out the problems, to find out the any disease. If the patient is so serious and there is necessary of the surgery means here children operation or the treatment of disease or injury or removal of disease part by cutting, we can say that surgery means operation. Sometimes the surgery also done if necessary. And children medicines are given to the patients according to the doctor's prescription. म्हणजे डॉक्टरांनी दिलेल्या औषधाप्रमाणे मेडिसिन्स दिली जातात. Like that way children we can see in the point dispensary or hospital. Now children, it's time to revise the difficult words, that is the spellings from the point dispensary or hospital. Let's revise the children spellings. You have to write in the notebook one time. DISPENSARY. Dispensary means hospital. Dispensary means hospital. Second, blood test. BLOOD TEST. Blood test. Now next word, prescribe means to write. Writing the medicine name on the paper. PRESCRIBE. Prescribe. Surgery. SURGERY. Children, surgery means operation or the treatment of any disease. The treatment of disease or injury. If anybody got injury, then surgery will done. Or we can say operation or treatment of disease or any part of the body that is diseased, it removed from this surgery. Now children, it's time of homework. Today's homework, learn spellings and write in the notebook one time. Have a wonderful and fresh day.